The recent fall of many cryptocurrencies across the market has really left a mark on the current state of NFTs and cryptos as a whole. Neither are doing super well right now, and people are asking some questions about the market and its overall future. So stay tuned to today's video as we're going to discuss Luna fall sparks serious questions over the entire market. First up, we have Luna fall sparks serious questions over the entire market. We know the entire crypto market isn't doing super well right now, and one of the largest coins to take the hit was of course Luna. This coin was doing incredibly well and had many users banking on its success. Sadly, the coin did get hit super hard from this crash, and many of its larger users lost millions of dollars. Luna is now one of the biggest catastrophes in the history of crypto, and probably will be for a very long time. Many were super faithful to the project, but when it began to fall, people began to fall out. From what everyone assumed, Luna was going to be as big as Ethereum and Bitcoin, but clearly it wasn't getting that far with this in its way. One of the biggest things that has come from this is the untethering of crypto. Recently, Tether's 1-to-1 dollar peg also stumbled, with the token's price falling to 95.11 cents. Tether differs from Terra in an important respect. Rather than being based on an algorithm, its operators say its dollar peg is maintained through dollar-based reserves, enough to match the tokens in circulation. Cash is supposed to be cash. When it's not, like when money markets froze during the financial crisis, sheer panic ensues, says Andrew Beer, managing member at U.S. investment firm Dynamic Beta. Terra was like putting your money in an Iranian bank that offered a 20% interest rate, then suddenly shuts its doors. He adds, "Good luck getting your money back or even figuring out what happened." Tether Chief Technology Officer Paolo Ardoino has sworn to defend the dollar peg at all costs. He said last week that he was prepared to sell some of the ton of U.S. government debt that Tether has amassed in this effort. But details on the makeup of these reserves are thin. Ardoino declined last week to tell the Financial Times more about his $40 billion in U.S. government debt holdings, saying he wanted to protect the company's secret sauce. The pure volatility of the market has also been brought into questions. Of course, everyone knew that the market was volatile, as that is the nature of crypto. We have all seen crypto be birthed, rise to the peaks, and then burn all the way back down into the ground, never to be seen again. However, nothing had really died like Luna had done. It was a tough thing to see, but hopefully we are more prepared in the future for this happening again. Luna was one of the biggest and on track to be one of the most successful coins of all time, but things just went wrong in the market. It had no way of saving itself, and now people have lost millions. Many celebrities and YouTubers lost so much money, and they were talking about it on Twitter. KSI, a British YouTuber, lost 100 million on Luna and was obviously distraught at what had happened. Things just didn't go well, and it opened the eyes of the community. Many are now sticking away from crypto and NFTs, as it's just not something they want to mess around with anymore. They want a more consistent form of income and making large amounts of money, so clearly this wasn't working for them. Many of the largest NFTs in history are currently dead as well. One large NFT purchase was a Snoop Dogg NFT, created by the man himself. This was titled Doggy #4292. In early April 2022, the NFT was worth about $32,000 of Ether. This was then put up for auction for $25.5 million because of its relation to Snoop Dogg. Not long ago, that price might have sounded crazy, but it was actually reasonable for this market. Currently, the highest bid on this NFT is about 0.0743 Ether, which equates to about $210. This is just insane. Sadly, this is all mainly due to a lack of interest in people. No one really cares about buying an NFT or investing into one. They mock the people who have them on Twitter and comment on how stupid they are. The searches for NFTs on Google are also super down because people just don't care anymore. It's also an imbalance of supply between the people who actually want NFTs and the number that are available to purchase. NFTs surged in popularity during 2020 and 2021, but nowadays people just aren't as bothered. The main sure thing was when many large companies and artists jumped on the bandwagon, from McDonald's to Adidas. These companies created or purchased NFTs for their brand, and it really surged the popularity of them. So many of these NFTs just aren't worth anything now, and it's super sad to see. People have lost so much money because the market is dying. Even companies like Twitter, who integrated NFTs into its platform, are losing money. The future of NFTs is going to be within the metaverse, which is a completely different topic. What do you think about all of this? Let us know down in the comments section below. Also, tell us if you lost anything from this crypto and NFT crash. We hope you didn't lose everything. And now we have some other crypto news from the past few weeks. Finally, we have Ethereum NFT prices bouncing back after crypto crash, but Azuki keeps tanking. Before we get into the main story, let's give some context as to what is happening with the current current NFT and crypto markets. As we can currently tell, the NFT market is flatlining. The rise of the NFT really came out of nowhere once the crypto market started taking over in 2020. Whilst many have said for years now that NFTs make no sense and are a waste of money, clearly the market was doing well as sales were through the roof. From celebrities jumping on the market to even influencers and YouTubers joining the ongoing trend. Sadly, nowadays, the market is falling and hard. It's just not as great as it all sounded, and many are losing thousands and maybe even millions on NFTs because of this crash and the ongoing crypto market fall. Just a few weeks ago, the entire active wallet number in the NFT market fell about 88%. Currently, it looks like many NFT projects like Moonbirds and the Bored Ape Yacht Club have actually been rising their floor prices over the past few days now. This comes after the entire NFT and crypto market fell just a few weeks ago now. Sadly, one company named Azuki isn't doing as well as its competitors and is still tanking. They have seen a crash of about 43% due to the controversy surrounding its creators. The vast majority of the higher and in-demand NFT project collections recently saw a rapid decline in price. This comes along with the current fear because of the cryptocurrency and NFT market crashing. However, despite the market crashing, both Moonbirds and Bored Ape Yacht Club seem to be picking themselves back up as their prices are going up rather than down. Their prices are still low, but they are doing much better than they once were, and doing especially better than their competitors like Azuki. Azuki seems to be doing poorly because of its Ethereum base and because of the controversy surrounding its creators at the moment. The data is currently showing that in-demand NFT collections like Bored Ape Yacht Club, Moonbirds, CloneX, Doodles, and Mutant Ape Yacht Club have all bounced back into double digits over the past few days. Though these other collections are seemingly doing just fine now, it's clear that Azuki is crumbling because of this recent controversy. It seems like the creator of Azuki had not disclosed his connection to another NFT project that failed, as well as using different names on different companies. The floor price of Azuki has lost 43% of its overall USD value in the past few days, meaning it's dropped to $24,000 or 10.4 Ethereum. Azuki's NFTs have not been great sellers, and many holders have pulled out of the project. Even newcomers to the market are pulling out or losing money. They have had some decent sales over the past few days, but nothing compared to Bored Ape Yacht Club or Moonbirds. Azuki might be doing terrible right now, but even Bored Ape isn't doing as well as it had hoped. However, they are on the rise right now, with them being at 46% down instead of the 55% down they were just a few days prior. And that's our list. Hopefully you enjoyed this latest video. If you did, would you please let us know down in the comments section below? It would be very helpful. Make sure to like the video, comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel with the notification bell rung. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye!